be speaking about my career path and opportunity in aviation industry. The module title is Managing Hospitality and Tourism. This is presented by me. That is Yogi Lad, and it's submitted to Ingrid Kanunga. I'll be speaking a bit about myself. I am Yogi Lad from India, and after completing a bachelor degree in chemistry and diploma in aviation hospitality, my interest towards the customer service has encouraged me to learn the fundamental skill, and ultimately I was able to achieve a position in an airline, which was my dream. I have worked with Indigo Airline for about 2 years, and my job was to handle customers, and the position I was given was customer service agent. Presently, I am studying graduate certificate in tourism management in Thames Valley University in London, and I hope this course will help me to achieve a career with the service industry organization. I like cooking and communicating and meeting with people. My ideal placement or an entry position in the airlines would be customer service training. The establishment which I am looking for, my entry would be a Kingfisher airline or similar organization which gives a unique class of service to their customers. Aircraft incorporate latest technology in the in-flight and entertainment system. They also provide the customers the hassle-free service at airport due to their fundamental skills of the staff. They have a number of aircrafts and they operate to a number of destinations. The chairman is Mr. Vijay Mallya, and he also has some other business of beverages. This is a general idea of the airport through which I can gain an entry in the customer service training. There are 4 departments basically at airport. One is the engineering department, the other is the customer service department, and the one is security department. Ramp, which only operates and look after the airport or look after the aircraft operation, and this is the reservation department. My entry would be the customer service training, and I want to achieve this goal. That is, I want to be an assistant manager in customer service training. If I am able to get an entry in this position, ultimately I'll work hard and try to achieve such skills that I will be promoted into assistant manager by 6 or 7 years. Job description for customer service trainee. The basics job of a customer service training would be handling customer grievances at airport. Grievances would include the complaints, the suggestions, the compliments to the staff. At check-in, while boarding it, and handling baggage also include. Handling baggage would be once the passenger lands at the airport, the staff would look after the baggages and any grievances regarding to that. Handling reservation and flight operations. This is also a job of the customer service training. The reservation would include relevant information should be provided to the passenger regarding their journey, their bookings and everything. Flight operation would include everything. And the maintenance of on-time performance is a basic thing for each and every airline, and the operation also should include the policies of the airport or the organization. They should not overlook all the policies of the airport looking into the time performance. They should maintaining on-time performance is also important, because the airport will charge if the flight is going to not operate on time. Now I will be talking about skills and competency, that is employability skills required for a job. That is, have a good team player and cooperation skills. A staff should always be supporting the the colleagues of her team. He should be able to, he or she should be able to cooperate as well. There should be prioritizing of the work. There should be equal distribution of the work. He or she should be equally look after the views and respect their views to operate the flight or any other work in the airport. The good communication skills are also required. Good communication skill will be gained once you start communicating with the people or start improving your vocabulary. Time management should have an equality of quality of handle stress. And at airports, usually there would be always stress of work onto you. They should be also have a quality of time management. You should be able to prioritize your work accordingly. Then only there would be hassle-free operation. Should be able to work in odd hours and weekends. You should always be able to work in odd hours because the flight operations could be in the morning. There could be divergence as well. So you should be able to handle such situation very easily. Smart presentation and grooming is also important. Multitasking handling, as I've already mentioned, the staff might get allocated on different allocations every day. They can be looking after check-in, they can be looking after the reservation or the baggage handling. Technical skills and knowledge is important because the staff should know the knowledge of the system they are going to operate at check-in. The 3 SMART objectives which I would like to gain in my career and to achieve my manager position would be understanding ground handling operation. I should be able to understand their manual to have a hassle-free operation and should work hard to achieve my position. Try to develop confidence. How I'll be developing my confidence? By doing multitasking job, by participating in conversations with the staff or with the passengers when required, and providing relevant information or solving the customer query. Try to learn the organization reservation system, which is very important, otherwise I won't be able to solve the problems of the reservation passengers when required. The career path and the opportunities which I am going to gain or which I am going to gain to gain the position of assistant manager in few years. 6 months I will be working as a customer service training. I will be under some supervisors and they will be looking after my job, that how well and good I am doing at my job. And ultimately after 6 months I will be getting a job of customer service agent. And thereafter, after 6 years, I will be able to achieve the assistant manager if my work is very good and I am good in communication. This is my cover letter which I am going to submit for the position. That is the position which was given in the website. I have mentioned everything about my skills that would enhance to get into the industry. I've informed everything about my diploma aviation, and this would surely, I guess, this would help me to gain a position in the industry, in the service industry. And this is a bibliography through which I have learned and I have got the skills to gain the employment. And these are some bibliography through which I am going to gain knowledge and will be able to achieve my goals on time. Thank you very much for giving me such a nice opportunity, and